It's getting dusty out here. Every run slower than the last. It's tough at the top, and the climb is always a battle. As luck would have it, I stumbled upon a band of explorers the other day wandering past. The curious-looking machines looked thrashed and tired. They seemed annoyed, like they were arguing over something. I think it had something to do with the state of those machines. Tempers fray easy when folk are desperate, and these folks sure look desperate. Truth is, they were just as stoked to find me as I was to find them. I knew we could help each other in some way, and who knows, maybe go on to do great things.